So in abduction matters and whether the child rights to identity is protected, I mean, the starting point is that South Africa has ratified the Hague Convention on Civil Aspects of Child Abduction. And there's a lot of case law that's coming out of that process. If anything, I think the children's rights to origins and identity are much protected because there's been a strict interpretation of the Hague Treaty. So basically saying if a child is abducted, even if it's the mom coming back to South Africa, which is their home country with the child, most of the time the courts would order a return to the other country so that the disputes are resolved. Then you have both parents, obviously then, particularly if the other parent had rights as provided for in the Hague Convention, then the child will know both, the details of their parents. And in most instances, particularly where people are coming back into South Africa, they're coming from countries where automatically, whether parents are married or not, they're registered on the child's birth certificate, there's recording of who their parents are. So insofar as that is concerned, I don't think it's a big issue insofar as protecting and securing and safeguarding the identity of children. I think insofar as the Hague Abduction Convention is concerned, there are other issues such as, the big issues, the place of the best interest of the child when you're ordering a return to the place of habitual residence, and the fact that the treaty itself is quite narrow in how you're supposed to do that, and actually doesn't allow you to do the full spectrum of consideration of the best interests. And as recent as last week, we have a Constitutional Court judgment that's ordered that a child who's been in South Africa for almost 4 of her 5 years must now go back to the UK under the Hague Convention, Abduction Convention, and there are concerning things about the application of the treaty, most definitely.